Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So excited about today. Today I got a delivery. Can you tell? I wonder if you can tell what it is. Any guesses? Any guesses? But this is something I've been wanting to look at for a long time and do a side-by-side comparison video with the Happy Planner and just pluses and minuses to both. However, today, before we can do that video, we have to see what I got. So, Erin Condren was nice enough to ship this over. And I'm in love with the box, I'll tell you that much. And for me to take a look at their products, of course, I have not used an Erin Condren before, so I'm excited to see what they will look like. But more importantly, I know a lot of you out there love Erin Condren, use Erin Condren, and use a lot of the Happy Planner products in your Erin Condren. So I'm excited to see what this looks like and how everything is. So for today, we're going to be unboxing it, looking at each object that I got, and then we will do a side-by-side comparison this week of a flip through of each to see just how they compare. So let's get started. So I can't lift the box completely with the way that the camera is, but I will show you this. It's wrapped very well. I love the tissue paper. I love this little extra insert cards. What you seek is seeking you. With a little nice little postcard, and then enjoy, which is a nice little sticker. So that's a really nice way to package it. Definitely nice with the sticker. Love that. It's wrapped very well. So I'm going to push it off to the side and pull one item out at a time. And I'm very surprised that all of this fit in this box. So just going to state that for the record. Alright, so this was hand selected by me because I just love this so much. She designed a life she loved. So literally it is just a zipper pouch. And a quality zipper pouch, you can tell. Small clutch. So I mean, it can be whatever you want it to be. It can be like purse bag, it can be a pen bag, it can be an extra on the go bag. It's a nice leather. It's not cheapy feeling. It does not feel, I don't know if it's real leather, but it does not feel cheap at all. It feels really nice. And of course they have their little like logo on the side. I wonder what Happy Planner, that would be like a little disc heart. But I love bags. Can't get enough of those. These are for the fact that I'm a color coding girl. I got the color block stickers, which are really super cute. So you can just like, really just color block priorities. Like, so you know what you're doing. If you go for color block, I'm a color blocker, so that's definitely something I like to do. Turn your dreams into plans. This is a sticker book. I'll have to pull that open and do a flip through of that in a moment. Now, this is something I love. I've talked about it a little bit before, but I like a journal that I'm not really able to take pages out of. I like to be able to ensure that I am, like my thoughts aren't changing as I'm pulling them out. So I did get a journal to just take notes or whatever it might be. Can never have enough of these note papers. And they are perforated, so if I do want to pull them out, I can, but it's not something that has to come out. So super cute. Love that. That's my name. They shipped really quickly, too. I will tell you that much. Magnetic pen marker, page marker. Love that. These are clip-in connect, so if you have things you want to add to your planner, you just like tab them just like you would, and then you put it in. Top priorities, just dashboards to click into your planner. I got some pages of stickers that I thought were really pretty. And obviously, you can tell that I like blue. It's not a surprise. Megan likes blue. Okay. Grocery list. And once again, just to pop it into your planner. It fits right in. Super cute. I got these markers because, you know, I've been wanting to up my pen game, so can't go wrong. No shame in that game. the actual planner itself. It says, don't follow your dreams, chase them. Love that. A lot of fun stuff in here. Cannot wait to do a full flip through side by side for you all. And then I got a planner folio, which is so cute. I'm really excited about that. Very, very excited about it. And I'm gonna see, it will probably fit any of my other little planners too, but I love little pockets and packs and bags and stuff like that. It just makes me really happy. And so super excited to have that as part of my collection. So you might be wondering, Megan, what are you gonna do with all this stuff? You use Happy Planner. And the answer is that I'm going to love to do flip throughs and side by sides. I actually do have a specific purpose for this planner, but I also know a lot of you do plan with these types of planners, and I want to be able to show you ideas that I would use, whether you're using a disc bound or whether you're using a ring bound. And I will tell you, out of all of the ring bound planners I've heard of, like Recollections, on, you know, at Michael's has one and stuff, like I've always heard Erin Condren is the one to love, that her quality is great. And this was my first experience with it. I've never seen them. So this will be the first time that I actually am able to say, like, yes, it is great, or no, it's not great, because I've never experienced it before. Cost is obviously more, but it does offer some pros and cons to both. So for today, this, just so you can get an idea of what this would all retail at, I'm going to just do a real quick flip through. You have your folio bag. You put your planner in it, so it zips it up and keeps it safe. The planner comes with a lot of goodies inside of it. Haven't looked through that yet. The grocery list, the top priorities list, the connects, the 2 sticker sheets, which would basically be like 1 week's worth of spread. It wouldn't be like a whole lot more than that, but it would work. Magnet, a journal, another sticker book, the event block sticker book, She Designed a Life She Loved pouch, the markers, and then their little freebies. This is $150 worth of product. So that will give you a point of comparison to say, hey, listen, this is what it gets you. The accessories are very well priced, actually. They're not expensive at all. And there was, I think, some kind of discount that was running at the time. But this is $150 worth of product from them. So I'm going to link their website below if you want to actually take a look at their stuff. But stay tuned for the side-by-side flip through, because that's where I'm really going to show you what it looks like. And for those of you who love Erin Condren and those of you who love Happy Planner, you're going to get my perspective on which one is, what they're known for, what they're best for. And here's what I will say. There's going to be things in both planners that are going to be good, and, just kind of depends on personal preference. But I cannot wait to show you this. Accessories wise, I will continue whether I use the planner fully or not. I'm going to definitely continue to order some of their extra notebooks and stuff, because they're very cute and they're very affordable. And I love the stickers too. And this bag, because I'm going to be obsessed with this bag. And it's blue. And that's the love of my life. So, all right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you are as excited as I am to do a flip through of everything. Cannot wait to show you what everything's gonna be, and I'm so excited, and I can't wait to break it down for y'all, and I am just really, really ready to do that. So stay tuned for that information, but in the meantime, let me know in the comments if you are an Erin Condren girl, or if you are a Happy Planner girl, which one you prefer to plan in. I'm sure I'm gonna have a lot more Happy Planner girls right now, but I have heard a lot of you that love Erin Condren and do that for your main planning. So I cannot wait to hear from you, and my watch is like pinging off, and I will talk to you soon and see you in the next video.